Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Makeup with Ivan. So today I'm going to be diving into this brand new palette by Dose of Colors, the DesixKaty Friendcation palette. So I did this look last week on my Instagram and y'all loved it, so I was like, you know what, let me film a little tutorial for you guys. But if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe before this video ends, and let me just jump into this video. Alright, so my foundation is already done. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take this loose powder by Rimmels, the Stay Matte Powder, and I'm going to apply this underneath the eye area for baking purposes, but also to catch any fallout. And here we have the star of the show. It's a Teint eyeshadow palette. And the first color I'm going to dive into is Basic, which is a nice little nude. And I'm going to apply that with the Morphe E27 all over the lid. And this is going to serve as my transition shade. And you don't have to be neat with this because we're going to put more colors on top of it. Now I'm going to take Churro, which is a nice brown color, and I'm going to take that on a more detailed brush. This is the Morphe M506, and I'm taking that on the outer V part of the eye, but also bringing it in towards the middle. And then without applying any more product to the brush, I'm going to take whatever's left on my brush and bring it on the inner portion of the eye. Nothing too crazy. Now we're going to go with this nice chocolatey color. This one's called Cheens. And I'm going to take that with a fluffy Sonia Kashuk brush. This is a blending brush. And I'm going to start with patting motions to kind of like set the color in place. And then I'm going to lightly start buffing that out and blending it outwards just in the V outer part of the eye, as you can see right here. Okay, next I'm taking this ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I'm going to apply it with a small concealer brush. Any concealer brush will do. And what I'm doing is I'm kind of tilting my head down so I can see where my little flap is, my little flappy fold. And I'm going to start outlining a little bit over that flap because I don't have a crease really because I have hooded eyelids. Another little trick you can do is apply the concealer to the bottom portion of your eyelid close to your lash line, and then just kind of look up, and then it'll stamp where you're supposed to have your new fake crease, if you will. So I'm going to finish applying that on the lid. And now we're going to go in with this bomb ass blue right here. This is called A Moment. And I'm going to apply that with my finger just because you're going to get a better payoff. And the cool thing about this color is it looks blue, but in certain lightings or a certain angle, it shifts to like a purpley color, which is pretty cool. Look at that color. Boom. That is poppin'. Yes. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another small concealer brush and I'm going to spritz that with my makeup setting spray. That one I used was Pixie. I'm just going to go and fill in really closely to where I cut the crease just to get it very precise and neat because, you know, my finger too big for that, girl. Now we're going to take the color, girl, bye. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe R41, which is like a nice pointed brush, and really apply that. You don't have to be neat with this either because we're going to blend this out right now. And I'm going to switch my brush over to a Morphe R39, which is a little more fluffier, and we're going to really smoke that out and just make it look seamless. Boom. Done. And now we're going to dust this powder off, girl, because we don't want to look dusty now. Now I'm taking this lip liner by Morphe. This is called Coffee and Kissy. This is like a bomb-ass nude. It goes with everything. I love it because they're super creamy and they're pretty intense in color, and they're only $3. Ew. And now I'm taking this new Stunna lip paint by Fenty, by Rihanna, and their new shade Unbutton. Now this is a cute little peachy nude, really true to color. The only thing is it's a little too liquidy, so I do have to layer on like 2 to 3 layers to get the color payoff that I do want. But other than that, it's a cute color. Now I'm going to go in with this MAC eyeliner pencil. It was limited edition, but I saw they have it back on their website, and it's called High Def Cayenne. And I'm going to take that into the waterline just to give it a pop and to match with the eyeshadow we applied. And now for highlight, girl, I'm going to go in with the first round of DesixKaty Fuego and Mírame highlight. I'm going to mix them together and apply it on the high points of the cheeks using my favorite brush, the Kylie Jenner eyeshadow blending brush. Boom, she is glowing. And you know, we got to set that face like 55 times with my Pixie spray. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, wait. few more. And that's it, guys. This is the completed look. I hope you guys like this little voiceover. This was my first time doing it, so hope y'all didn't mind. I did love the palette. Dose of Colors has bomb ass eyeshadows, and I love this look in general. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, check out my other social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.